Welcome to channel. Paris Super. Ganda dito guys. Pangalan niya Flip.
Hello guys! Welcome to this!
Birthday ni Zid.
Hindi niya kagdagan birthday niya.
Gift. Dinosaur. Ano gift. Yeah. Ayun, filter ni Zid. Babae. Yung birthday boy. Robert. Dinosaur. Pink, orange, yellow, blue, and green. Blue, yellow, and red, purple, and green, yellow, and brown. Light green. Cake niya. Wala kang cake. Dinosaur. Green.
Baka idikit siya.
Nataas kay yellow. Na-ready pa sa dito guys.
Ganun na lang. Ganun na lang.
Daming bisita guys. Ginboy. Mga kabayan. Like, share, comment, on the bell. And ito playground button. Purple. Nangingin. Hindi yung orange. Dami circle din. Si ate. Laki si ate bago gupit. Bata ka lang. Dubai pala yung mamaya pa daw. Yung sabi ko ito. Ito, ice. Ito, ice. Bula-bula. Ay, di, bubbles pala yun. Cake. Ibang cake. Cupcake. Kaya ulit chocolate brown. Ayan, labas. Purple. Ilaw. Pink. Blue. Kuya bagong subscriber. Ayun. Dami ah. Ayun malang. Ito. Color blue and red. Peach. Yung menu. Ito daw. Ice cream. Ayun. Ibang kulay. Blue. Heart na ice cream. Ito Oreo. Blue ice cream. May star na iwan. Sunod na tayo. Moon. Visit. Heart. Yellow. Pink. Si Malo pala yung pink. Red. Muffin sa chocolate. Brown. Chocolate. Muffin. Ano? Chocolate palingin. Pindi. Alipa. Alipa. Choke. Biscuit. Oreo. Juice. Apple juice. Mangga and berry. Lipton. Ito lemon. Apple juice. Orange juice. Miss fruit. Lemon. 7-Up. Energy drink. Ito yung kulay. Pepsi. Bagong kulay. Water. Dubai water. At Lays chips. Blue Doritos. Parehas na. Lays. Lagyan lang. Lays. Ito sa guys. Ginuto ni Kuya. Ito. Ano sabihin niyo? Dito.
Hello po! Kumusta?
Babayan.
Welcome po sa
Ah,
Flip Sarja.
maganda rito guys.
No.
Ito guys, oh. Bintan na popcorn. Ito. Niluto si Kuya, dami. Oh, nagtrabaho sa rito. Work hard talaga to. Ito, upuan na shape. Yan, oh. Circle, square. Yan. Yellow, circle. Red. Ibang shape. Ito. Hindi. Upuan siya na stairs. White. Eh, purple na pintal. Yellow. B. Hindi ba B? Hindi. Bola na yellow. Purple. Ayun, no? Blue. Ayun na orange. Ayan, AIDS. Bababa. Wala. No. Blue na ilaw. Ganda. Purple. Ayan. Yellow square. Bahay ka dun. Ito, lagyan ng sapatos. Punos. Pink, blue. Palito sapatos ka. 81. Hindi, 80 ako. Mga model. 81. Ha? Ayun. Jellyfish. Ito June. Anak. Kapatid ko rin. Starbucks. Ate ni Zed. Chick. Panta, top. Orange. May kabla dito. Pizza. Latte coffee. Starbucks. Meron pa na wifi rules. Visit na Litpan. Ganda yung hindi. Mga kabayan ka. Si Tinijoy ka. Si Biti. Kuya House.
Who came to celebrate your birthday? Yes, alright, we're gonna play freeze dance. Okay. Alright, so, okay, I'm gonna play music. And once the music stops, everyone will freeze. Yes, okay. Once the music stops, everyone will freeze. Yes, okay, so, Liz, are you ready? Wait, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Yes, okay. I want everyone to dance with me, okay? Alright, good job. High five. Yeah, high five. Yeah, high five. Yeah, and good job. Now stop when I say freeze. Freeze, just freeze, don't move. Come on, everybody, turn. Come on, faster, faster. Yeah. Now stop when I say freeze. Just freeze. Come on, everybody, dance.
Like moving.
Dance, sing, dance, sing, dance, dance. Dancing any way you feel. But stop when I say freeze.
Please.
Alright, just freeze. We're not yet done, just freeze. Okay, don't move, just freeze. Freeze. Okay, just freeze. Now I'm gonna count 1 to 10. Don't move, don't talk, just freeze, okay? 1, get ready. Don't move. 2, don't move, don't talk. 3, what's your name? Wow, she's not talking. Good job. High five. Don't move, okay? Freeze. Don't move. What's your name? You're the birthday boy, right? Oh, good job. Freeze. He's asking for a high five. Good job. Don't move. Don't talk. 4, 5. What's after 5? Becca? 6. Yes, don't talk. Don't move, okay? Freeze. 7, 8. Don't move. Just freeze. 9. And what's after 9? You can move if you don't say it. Wow, good job. High five. Good job. Okay. 9 and... Oh, ayaw talaga. 10! Alright, good job. Clap our hands to everyone. Come on. We're done. I said just 10. Okay, good job everyone. You can move. You can move. Okay. Alright, who wants to play another game? You want to play? Kids, let's move. Come on, come on, come on. You want to play another game? You want to play another game? Why no? Yes, okay. Now, before we proceed to our next game, I'm gonna teach you one thing. We're gonna dance. Who knows how to dance here? You know how to dance? No? I'm gonna teach you. You know how to dance? Yes, okay. How about you, Zed? You know how to dance? Yes, okay. So, this is just simple. I'm gonna teach you a dance and you just have to follow me, okay? Alright. Come on, kids. Zed, can you join me here in front? Okay. Now, roll your hands up. First, roll your hands up. Roll your hands down. And 2 claps. Okay, one more. Roll your hands up. Roll your hands down. And 2 claps. Okay, kids, are you ready? Yeah. Zed, are you ready? Yeah. Yes. How about you? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Come on, go back to your team. Go back to your team. Okay, come on. Come on, go back to your team. Come on. Get ready. Okay. Now, when I say pull, everyone you have to pull the rope. Come on, follow me. Follow me. Wait. Don't pull the rope yet. Follow me.
Nanalo
Follow
kanina,
me.
ganyan nanalo. Pero hindi talo.
Okay, now get ready. When I say pull, pull the rope. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Pull. Alright, so for the second round, the winner is ZC!
Dead team.
Okay, now, who's ready for the final round?
Follow round.
Okay, one more. Last round, come on. Go back to your teams, come on. Okay, ready?
Ito, panalo isa. Ito, dalawa.
Yes, okay, now. Ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Lakas dito, lakas.
Come on,
Mga dati na po, mag-group. Salamat.
Okay, now, everyone here? All right.
Ito Billy. Jun.
Okay, Daddy, are you ready? Okay. Now when I say pull her up, everyone pull her up. Ready in 3, 2, 1, pull! Good job, everyone. Okay.
Ayun na, blue na cake guys.
Okay, now let's sing song to David.
Talaga, ganda talaga birthday.
One more time. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, now, Zed, close your eyes, close your eyes. Make a wish. And blow your candle.
Ayun, dami pa. Dami pa. Drug. Wala agad yan, diba? Ang bata nakamuskara. Bakit naman na? Ang makambak nito, ayun o. Jump. Para sa uwan. Visual. Ay, pink. Ang ganda design, no? No.
Kuya,
Ah.
please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.
Sa TikTok, pwede kami TikTok tayo. Ayun guys, white ball dito. Ito, sabi ko na white ball. Ito,
Thank you.
ito nag-serve si Kuya. Cake.
Subscribe.
Brown cake.
Busog na.
Hana cake pala yan.
Honey cake.
Ayun guys, oh, orange light. Ayun. May blue light. Ano, mga bata.
Happy birthday, Zed. Thank you so much for celebrating your
Yeah.
birthday here.
Yeah.
I hope you're happy. And wish you all the best.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Siya yung host si Nina.
Oh,
Siya yung host si Nina.
ano po?
Siya yung host si Kuya.
Ah, yes.
Galing ni Kuya.
Oh, thank you.
Work hard guys. Work hard siya.
Thank you
Dito
po.
siya natatrabaho. Mga ibang kabayan sa labas. Bigay bago subscribers Kuya. Guys, blue bulls, you know. Para basket. Para court. You know. Hangin. Ikot ang bola. Ayun. Ito siya. Ito sa galan. Dami na talaga yan. Blue bulls.
Sinilpar ka na galit na dito!
Balik.
Kaya naman slide.
Dami bola. Ice cream. Kulit ice cream. Iba ice cream. Kulit. Ito. Caramel. Ito. Purple. Ito sa kulit. Ice cream. Ito, candy, iba candy. Hot dog, milk dragon, orange, dark green. Pero na tayo. Hippopotamus sata. Ini hippopotamus dragon. Lip pad. Ibang candy. Jamit yang dat Black balloon, ayun, gold. Ramadan Karim. Oh, sit baby. Wow. Ayun, no? Lipad. Hiplap. Tatlo pala guys. Subscriber ko lang po. 899 guys, subscriber. Salamat po sa inyo. No? Watching my video. Yung 5 p.m. So Monday to Thursday. 30 March. Ay, logo. Ilang minute bago labas. Ito Lati ano pangalan? Lapid